everybody, it's Umar Racing. Today I'm going to be switching out the winter tires and wheels into the summer ones, and gotta install the Whiteline Camber bolts on the car to get some more camber. I also have the PowerFlex engine mount bushing, the black series, so this is the stiffest bushing. So in this video I'm probably gonna split the videos up into two. One of them will be for the camber bolts, and the other one will be for the engine mount bushing. I don't know if I'll be able to do this today. I'm just gonna get started with the camber bolts, so it'll be easier to start. Alright, so I raised the car up, loosen the lug nuts. I'm going to take off the front wheels now and start working on the camber bolts. Alright, so I already started taking the bolt out, but forgot to record. So the bolt on the right is, I think it's 19 millimeters, and the one on the left is 17. You hold one side, the 17 side, and then the 19 side will turn. And then, by the way, the camber bolt looks like this. That's the torque. So it says about 97 foot-pounds of torque. I think the factory one was close to that. It was a little hard to take out. This is how the bolt looks like. So as you can see, this side is eccentric, so as you turn it pushes the nut to the other side. So this will come out, and then we'll be kind of like adjusting it with this. Alright, so this is the factory upper strut bolts. Came right off very easily. I didn't have to hammer it out. It's a new car, that's why. These are the directions for the installation. As you can see, the side that's like eccentric, so the one that's pushing out needs to be towards the hub, and the one that's kind of like more flat needs to be towards the strut. Alright, so to have the most negative camber, this tab again needs to be facing the strut, and the kind of like the eccentric part needs to be towards the hub. So as you can see, if I turn, it starts turning the tab. So if I put the tab, it's in the range of the more negative camber. It's hard to do it by hand. You can kind of feel like the middle part, but again, once you're getting the car aligned, you can really dial in to get the most. Honestly, this is very easy to do. So you just have to make sure it stays in that position. Make sure it's pointing that like this 90 degree straight, and that way you're gonna get the kind of like the most negative camber. The Whiteline bolts, so the one on the right is 18, the one on the left is 16, so that's different than the factory one. Alright, so I installed the bolt, have it at the correct location, the washer tab, and then the bolt cam was also in the right place. I torqued it to the required specifications, so that's 97 foot-pounds of torque and 132 newton meters. Let's set it to 132. Gonna move on to the next wheel. I'll install the summer wheels and tires. They're over here in the tire totes, so they're ready to go. Let's do this. Just finished the second side as well. Everything looking good. I don't think this is like exactly perfect, but when I take it for alignment, they will set it correct. But yeah, that's it for the camber bolts. This was very simple install. You just need just simple tools. Make sure to have a torque wrench. I mean, if you're taking off the wheels, you probably do have a torque wrench. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. After this, I'm gonna go and try to replace the engine mount bushing. I've never done that, so it'll be an interesting experience. Anyways, again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, or if you have any questions about camber, alignment, just leave a comment. I'll be happy to help. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video,